The first thing that we always do is really ask the question, like, what is the opportunity? What is the problem? And we interrogate that.
What's your proven process for taking a concept through to completion?
A proven process? I don't know if there is a proven process. Resilience will get you through a lot. No matter how difficult something seems, you just have to literally turn up every single day and try and solve it.
You know, we also believe that then the solution is in the brief. So going through the process of sort of, discovery, defining a strategy, and then sort of crafting, finding that big idea. That's the process.
There's no shortcut. There's no linear process or crazy process. It really depends on the team, who's on that team, who's driving, who's the lead, on the intent of the project.
We feel that design thinking is not sequential. So design is an ongoing conversation and it's iterative. It never ends. It just has a point at which it hands over to another stage. And that point can kind of move up or down in the process.
Be flexible and be adaptive. Like, we do not use one approach for every client who comes to us. You listen to the client. What do they need? What are the constraints on this piece of work? What are the deadlines? What are the budget? Who are the end users? And then work out what the best frameworks and methodologies are.
Don't look for inspiration inside the category that you're working in, because that really is just lots of things that are the same, all coming together. If you're crossing categories and you're bringing inspiration from other things, that's when the catalyst of great new ideas happens, and you're able to kind of come up with new things that haven't been seen and done before. But if you're always looking in the same space, then you're going to come up with the same stuff.
So it is regular catch-ups, showing work in progress, showing the evolution, and then it kind of just continues from there.
Here's something that I often do is I'll admit that I'm wrong as much as possible. So, and that's all about just trying to create a safe space so that people feel more comfortable putting their ideas out there, because it's scary, kind of putting your ideas out there.
But if you can bring the whole team together, you will pinpoint findings, opportunities, insights that you never could if you were just doing it in an isolated department. So really, again, bringing everyone in and bringing the client on that journey too.
I really try to put myself in the shoes and the hearts and the minds of the every person. So, being, user-centered is really important to me.
Go wide out into the world, do as much research as we possibly can, engage with as many people as we possibly can, and then come together to kind of synthesize that.
Design thinking should be in everything. Like, you should start your design thinking in the strategic phase, and it should continue all the way to the end of production. You should always be thinking about what's right for the brief.
Many businesses still think design thinking is a guaranteed result, and it's not. It's messy and it's complex. It is an education process, and I have to go through when I'm talking to organizations and businesses that design thinking is a process, not an outcome. So the short answer is remove the term and use the process.